Today, let us walk through this new YouTube Super Sticker feature. Super Stickers are currently a pilot promotion for a small number of creators. To discover if you have access to this brand new feature, navigate to your new YouTube Studio Beta. It is not available in Studio Classic. Once you have landed on the new YouTube Studio Beta, select the monetization tab indicated by the $sign on the left-hand side. And then from there, navigate to the live chat menu, which can be located just below the search bar. If you have a toggle to indicate that your super stickers are on, then congratulations! You have access to this brand new feature, and super stickers are available for your supporters. Next, let's walk through the steps on how to support YouTube content creators through super stickers in their next live stream. To support your favorite creator with a super sticker, be sure to click on the symbol below where you would typically type in chat messages. However, do note that currently super stickers are not yet available on mobile browsers. Now, select Super Sticker, located above Super Chat, and choose from one of your favorite stickers. There are currently over 100 super stickers to choose from, starting as low as 99 cents. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you need further clarification, as always, leave a comment down below.